for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap up today and it corrected in the first half of the trading session. During the second half of the trading session, we saw the action picking up in the banking stocks and also the Nifty, and the Nifty ended the day with a 90-point gain in today's trading session. The advance decline ratio was pretty impressive with 1109 advances to 454 declines. The mid cap and the small cap index were up close to 2% each. PSU banks, public sector banks were the highlight of today's trading session, which gained close to 7.5% to 10%, as most of them gained up to 7.5 to 10% in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the consolidation which was happening in the Nifty has, as we expected, broken on the upside, and in today's trading session it has given a huge big bullish candle in today's trading session. Now this breaking of this consolidation on this upside indicates that a fresh move on the upside has begun from today's trading session, and we expect to see the momentum to continue in the coming trading sessions. The daily momentum indicator also bears a positive crossover, which indicates that the momentum is also in the favor of bulls at this point of time. On the hourly charts, you can observe that in morning after the gap up opening, Nifty corrected intraday. It retested its breakout, and after retesting its breakout, it rallied on the upside. It is holding on to the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages in today's trading session, that are 7295 and 7260. 7295 and 7260 are 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which would act as crucial supports for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. On the upside, 7420 and 7500 are crucial resistances for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Overall, our view on the Nifty remains positive with a target of 7500 on the upside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty similarly has was trading in a sideways consolidation kind of a manner since past 4 trading sessions, and in today's trading session most of the public sector banks participated in a huge way, with State Bank of India gaining 10% post its results. The small PSU banks like Allahabad Bank, Canara Bank, all joining in and closing with gains of around 7.5% to 10% each in today's trading session. We expect this rally in Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty stocks to continue. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 15,111 and 14,972. Crucial resistances for Bank Nifty are placed at 15,362 and 15,700 odd levels on the upside. So friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive. After consolidating for 4 trading sessions, the Nifty has given a breakout on the upside. We expect the rally in Nifty to continue for a target of 7500, for an immediate target of 7500 on the upside. That's all for the day. Thank you.